Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming hardware and entering BIOS. Do this now. Once power is stable, press F2 or the assist key at boot to open VAIO firmware. You need to check whether the internal drive is detected. If it is missing, the OS won't load. Make sure SATA mode is ASI rather than RAID or IDE because mismatched mode prevents many Windows installs from booting. If the drive appears, note the boot order and move the internal HDD to the top. Once BIOS shows the drive and you have a Windows USB or VAIO recovery disk, boot from that media and choose repair options. You'll open command prompt to run targeted tools. Bootrec/Fixember and Bootrec/Fixboot rewrite the master boot code. Bootrec/Rebuild scans and rebuilds the boot configuration data because corrupted BCD files cause operating system not found. Also run chkdskc/f to repair file system errors. These steps correct common boot record and file system faults. After repairs, reset BIOS to defaults and explicitly set the internal HDD as the first boot device, then restart to test. If Windows still reports no OS, power down and reseat the drive. Loose connectors are a frequent culprit. Once reseated, test the drive in a USB enclosure on another PC to confirm SMART and file access. If diagnostics show physical failure or the disk isn't recognized externally, plan to replace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.